Okay guys, so welcome to the Techpreneurs YouTube channel. So today we're going to talk about how you can build your own savings and loans software, a web application for your savings and loans. This is a web-based software that can help you to manage your savings and loans business or small banking business efficiently. So this is a demo. I'm going to walk you through the features of this particular software. And if you have interest in having something like this, you can either send a request with the WhatsApp number in the description below, or you can simply click on the link in the description to get access to the full software and use it for your own project as well. So this is the dashboard of the software. It shows you total members you have, total deposit requests, withdrawal requests, and then the pending loans as well. So upon clicking on this, it gives you the full details of whatever is in there. We have the multi-branch system in the software, so you can manage unlimited number of branches. You can switch between branches at any point in time. As the owner of the business, you can always switch. It's a multi-language system. You can add other languages as well. Here we can see the branches. You'll be able to create or add new branches by simply clicking on add. Enter the name of the branch, the email, phone number, address, and the description of the branch. We have the members zone where you see all of the members that are on the platform, all those that are active members on this platform. So you can see this is an example on the platform. The add members section helps you to add a new member onto the platform and then choose the branch where that member is going to be. A whole lot of details. And the most interesting part of this system is that every member you add or every customer that comes on board automatically gets their own online banking login credentials. So their name, their email, the password, their status, whether they're active or inactive. Once you fill this form, the login details are automatically generated by the system. So this is a system that can help you even if you want to build your own online banking platform. You can still use this system as well. Member request, when people are on the front page, you can actually request to sign up for your banking services. Loans, here you can use this section to manage all the loans that are given to your customers, the pending loans, the active loans. Then we have a loan calculator here for you to use that to calculate the loan that you are actually giving out, maybe loans you've given out already. The loan product here helps you to list all the loans that you have, the types of loans, the packages that you have for your loans over here as well. The repayment section is for people that are repaying their loans. So when someone comes to do a loan repayment, all you have to do is click on repayments, come to add new repayment, choose the loan ID by dropping it down here. The date is already there, unless otherwise it's a different date. You can change it at any time, either before or after. And then the loan ID, you can drop it a search for the ID of the loan. Every loan that is issued gets an ID. The due amount date. Once you choose the loan ID, the due amount is also popped up here. If there are penalties, you can enter the penalty here. The amount the person has to pay, the total amount, and then if you have some remarks, you submit. So basically, that is for the repayment. On the account section, you have different types of account here. You can have the savings account, premier account, whatever account that you want. You can create the account types over there. Then you can actually do the interest calculation as well for the various accounts. The deposit method allows you to credit a customer's account when they make a deposit. So all you have to do is choose the member who made a deposit, the account number should be here, that is this member was active, and then the amount you are depositing, whether it's completed or is pending, then the description of the deposit. The date is there as well. You can choose any date of your choice and you're good to go. Deposit request is also here when someone does a deposit request from their own account, because customers have their own accounts as well. So from the customer portal, you can actually make a deposit request. Now withdrawal. When a customer comes to withdraw money, you have the access to to debit their account, whatever amount you think they are due. So this is a status, whether it's pending, cancelled, or completed. This is a description. Withdrawal request. Customer can make a request for withdrawal in their own account. Then you can actually approve that from here. Transactions shows you all your new transaction, all the transaction history, the transaction categories, the various ones, and a whole lot of other things. And the expenses, we have all the expenses of your business. The category of expenses, it can be your utilities, your salaries, whatsoever. The objective is to give you a detailed report of your expenses at the end of the month or at the end of the year. As a savings and loans company, being able to keep accurate data on expenses is very important for your growth and survival. Deposit methods, you have the automatic and then the manual deposit. Automatic methods allow customers to make deposit directly from their own accounts using these payment gateways. Then the manual gateway, they have to do the manual transfer so that the account gets credited. Or maybe they can just walk into your office or your place of business and make a direct deposit. Withdrawal methods. When a client wants to make a withdrawal, you can add the available methods, maybe by bank, by mobile money, or any withdrawal method by which you can pay the client can be done here. The users. Here we have all the users on the platform, the rules they perform, and the access control. The access control gives you the chance to limit the access a particular user has on the platform. So the cashier, for example, can have access to only the cash is entered, but not the overall cash received on the platform. Languages, you can add your own languages. Reports, very important section, gives you the account statement reports. We have the account balances, show the various accounts, and then you can enter the member number, then just check the account balances. Loan reports, the reports on loans. Loan due reports, those loans that are due for payment. Transaction reports, expense reports, revenue reports. Then the system where you can make the necessary amendments to your currency flow back. So this is a demo. You can find the link in the description if you want the online software. You can make the purchase in the description. Otherwise, you can just use the WhatsApp link in the description to reach out to us if you want something like this. Once you have the system, all you need is your web hosting where you can host a system on, and then you can start operating right away. So this is the Techpreneurs YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll also bring you updates of more softwares, more ways you can actually build your own web application the easiest and the smartest, the most affordable way possible. Don't forget to subscribe, comment if you have some questions or queries, like this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.